We're all about love. Swing and a miss. Mom, I'm on top of the world! Get ready to fall in love with Scottsdale. I'm Tomeka Jones, and we're about to explore this popular destination in the Arizona desert. It's a chilly early morning for a hot air balloon ride, but the body and soul are about to warm up. Going, we're gone. Let the adventure begin. This is the Sonoran Desert. Oh my God, look at the beauty. Welcome to the Valley of the Sun. This experience provided by Hot Air Expeditions is so peaceful and surreal. How high are we?
We're probably about 800 feet or so. I don't like snow because I'm afraid of heights.
He's joking, but as we ascended about 3,000 feet above ground, believe it or not, I have a fear of heights. But I just couldn't pass up this experience, you know? Any advice I can give someone out there who has a fear like me of heights? Just do it. The views are just breathtaking.
Bounce and drag a little bit. Everybody's ready?
Ready.
Ready. Vision 20 or 30, and that one time I did 36.
We landed. And just in time for a lovely champagne brunch in the desert. Cheers. Back in the city, a little indoor fun to shake things up a bit. This is cool. This is just one of several unique art pieces at Wonderspaces.
Our goal is to bring art to people. We want to make art more accessible to everyone. That's why we're in a shopping mall.
Right inside of Scottsdale Fashion Square is where you'll find interactive and immersive art. Here are more examples of the artist's ingenuity on display. Now here's a close-up of a perceptual art piece. When I step on the footprints,
Sure. Oh my God. So this is The Immigrant. Michael Murphy created it to start that conversation about all the great things that immigrants do for our communities, and it's his partner, Natasha.
come with me, come with me, come with me, stand here. Look at what she looks like now. She's back into one piece. Phenomenal. With more than 300 days of sun in the Sonoran Desert, outdoor activities are very common, especially hiking, one of the many trails at the iconic Camelback Mountain. Okay, it's a very intense trail, tough, but we're gonna do this together, right? Shake your head, yes.
Your first time?
Yeah.
Your first time, my first time. Whether you're with your own friends, you want to meet friends, it's worth coming out just to be friends with nature.
This flag tells you what's up next. Golf, anyone? Sitting just below Camelback Mountain is this gorgeous short course at Mountain Shadows Resort near Scottsdale. A quick warm-up at the putting green before teeing off.
Did you see that?
Golf pro Tyler Carey gives me and some of you a beginner's lesson at what's considered one of the best par 3 courses in America.
What are you handing me?
I'm handing you your putter.
Okay.
You're left-handed. That's brand new. That just came in today.
Shout out to all lefties. You rock.
Now, putting is an art. There's no right or wrong way to do it, but I'm a big believer that the closer your hands are to each other, the easier they can work together with each other. So being a left-handed golfer, you're going to put both of your feet parallel over here. I want you to try to mimic my feet, so no more than shoulder width apart from each other. And the ball's going to be a little bit kind of in the middle, maybe just a little bit more forward of middle. Okay. So this is just a beginner shot. So I want you to try to hit that tee for me. Better? This could work.
Good job.
This could work out fine.
Good job. For a beginner.
If this goes in the hole, not too shabby. Good. Nice control.
Yes.
Very nice.
Since this is just practice on hole 4, let's do that again. Maybe a hole in 1? Nope. Honestly, it took more than 3 shots to get this. The ball in the hole. I was so excited. It's the thrill for me. I just had to try again.
Beautiful.
And
Beautiful. Very nice.
now heading downtown, known as Old Town Scottsdale, It's a walkable place made up of 9 neighborhoods with an old Western vibe. There's plenty to do, including getting glammed up at the Sparkle Bar before you hit the nightlife.
This is like 15, 20 minutes in and out the door. Glam on the go, girl.
Oh, I love it.
And this space is really created out of necessity to create an environment where all people can come and feel like the most beautiful version of themselves, regardless of skin tone, type, texture, age, ethnicity. We like to say, leave a little sparkle wherever you go, and that's exactly what happens.
You're right, Alex. I feel even more vibrant.
There you go. Let's get a taste of Old Town now. So come with me inside the Wine Collective of Scottsdale, which is one of 7 wine tasting rooms in the area.
Hi, are you ready to drink some wine, or would you like to buy a bottle to go?
Oh, I didn't know it was an option, both.
Fantastic. Well,
I'll start with some
welcome.
wine first.
The motto here is represent the unrepresented. So that's why you see a wall of all Arizona wines, about 40 options here for us to indulge.
You smell that? In a glass.
So I wanted to do a collective rather than a winery. So you could do winery, but I don't want to be a winemaker. I want to represent them. We like to make everything fun here. So
When drinking wine, why not?
why not? Exactly. It's just wine. Why not?
Next, the mission is to eat, literally. And this is one of 90 restaurants in Old Town. The food here is Latin inspired. What you see is the Mission guacamole made right in front of you with fresh ingredients.
Chef Matt, what do we have here?
So this is our Peruvian clam stew. We call it a almejas al vapor, which just means steamed clams in Spanish. It's a dish that we open the restaurant with.
Somebody's getting messy, y'all. We're not about to be cute no more.
My facial expression speaks for itself. It was too good. Chef Matt shared a few more signature dishes, including the duck carnitas empanadas, roasted corn gorditas, and swordfish. Mission accomplished. All smiles. Wink. Of course, I couldn't leave Scottsdale without relaxing at the resort pool. Since it does get hot in the desert, cool off by taking a dip. Raise your glass with me one last time to celebrate the fun, the vibes, and the special memories we have from this great getaway to Scottsdale. I don't know about you, but I'm staying. Bye for now.